Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about the bad impact on sea life, focusing on microplastics. This section consists of 4 parts, including a brief introduction of marine creatures, some stress to marine creatures, current situations of marine creatures, and the corresponding solutions. Okay, let's get started. The ocean is very huge, covering about 71% of Earth's surface. Currently, scientists know millions of ocean species. Some of those ocean animals are even much older than any Earth-born animals. This means the ocean has rich resources for marine creatives.
However, beautiful marine creatures suffer from severe ocean pollution. Chemicals, trash are washed or blown into the ocean. Plastic is the most prevalent type of ocean pollution. Most plastics in the ocean break up into very small particles. These small plastic bits are called microplastics. Other plastics are intentionally designed to be small. They are called microbeads and are used in many health and beauty products. They pass unchanged through waterways into the ocean. Aquatic life can mistake microplastics for food. Research is being conducted, but there's still much we don't know. In 2050, the US banned the use of microbeads, but microplastics are still a huge problem.
The impact of ingesting microplastics on marine life depends on different species or the growth stage of the organism. Eggs, larvae, are more vulnerable to damage than mature marine life. The author engaged in the study of juvenile fish found that microplastics will cause chemistry and physical impact on the fish's growth, including activity schedules, eating habits, and the reaction to the threat of predators. When crabs, crustaceans are ingesting microplastics, their activity will weaken, foraging speed will slow down, and the number of hatched eggs will also decrease. If marine organisms with lower trophical levels ingest microplastics that absorb toxic substances, the marine ecosystem may also be affected. For instance, sea worms play an essential role in turning up marine sediments. In an experiment, sea worms had an inflammatory response due to prolonged exposure to a plastic resin called UPVC, which reduced their foraging and halved their activity, resulting in decreased growth and reproduction and their capability to turn up marine sediments. Therefore, the potential impact of microplastics on the marine life can be seen from the above aspects.
Now we have already realized how serious this issue is. So what solution we can adopt to settle down this issue? The solutions we introduced in this presentation divide into 2 parts. That is the global level and the regional level. For the global level, many countries around the world have already reached out to adopt lecture environmental agreement as well as some soft law. And then the regional level, the United Nations as well as the European Unions have already taken on their own action to solve this problem. In addition, several countries have already improved the packaging materials as well as to avoid unnecessary plastic. Then the raw materials management and the plastic waste source of the plastic waste have been identified to protect these issues happened. If we can adopt all the above-mentioned issues, we can protect these cute sea creatures. That's all. This is our 5 minutes presentation. We hope can give our students a brief introduction about the negative impact that the microplastic bring to our sea creatures. We hope to see our students in our next class. Thank you.